Hello everybody, I am Giselle and this is my daughter Sabine.
Hi.
And welcome to our first video by Vanilla Mommy. So as you might know, our blog talks a lot about packed lunches, but today what we're going to do is a recipe. And I've chosen something sweet for today. I have many people telling me that being stuck inside, they're always looking for something to nibble and especially something sweet. So today we're going to do something which is sweet but healthy. And this is chocolate hummus. So this recipe is very simple. You only need 5 ingredients, as you can see here. And the recipe is so easy because all it involves is putting the ingredients into the blender. So here are our ingredients. We need some chickpeas. Here I'm using a can of chickpeas, which is approximately 1.5 cups. Now, since I'm using a can and not fresh chickpeas, it's very important to rinse them well. Here I've rinsed the chickpeas and drained them. Then we have
Some baking
cocoa powder. This you know what it is.
It's peanut butter.
That's 2 tablespoons. And maple syrup. In case you don't like maple syrup, you could also use coconut sugar.
And we also have vanilla there.
Vanilla extract or vanilla essence, if you don't have, we're going to be using 1.5 teaspoons. So, as you can see here, we have our chocolate hummus. And if you noticed, while I was mixing it, I had to add a 6th ingredient, which is almond milk, to get this consistency. It should be the consistency of a dip.
Now, can I taste it?
Yes, okay. So, it's also picky eater approved. So here I have a nice treat. Something sweet, which yes, you can still eat in moderation, but what's good about this chocolate hummus, even though it contains some sugar from the maple syrup, the fact that it has the protein from the chickpeas and from the peanut butter and a lot of fiber as well, slows down the absorption of the sugar. So we're still in the healthy zone.
Great chickpeas, by the way.
Chickpeas. Thanks everybody for watching our video and hope to see you next time. If you like this video, please subscribe.
Thank you.
Don't forget to give us a thumbs up.